Yeah, I mean, if you run over with the loader, though, they're gonna push right down.
There's big rocks with that loader. It'll pop the track off. I'm gonna try to get that in the picture. So maybe come over here. Maybe push those two bigger ones over in the hole more. I think that big rock might be too big.
Which means a lot of them big rocks up there are probably too big.
No, I think we get them down the hole, it'll be okay, and then throw a smaller rock on top of it. Yeah. I think I'm just going to go straight back to the paw instead of trying to pick up any more of them big rocks. Might have to push that one over out of the way. We'll see.
I'll try to get that one this hole better.
That one?
Yeah.
I'm thinking pushing it out of there. Or maybe push it over in that hole.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Pretty good.
Hey everybody. Welcome back to my Slice of Heaven. I'm Joey. And today, you've seen me come across this hole before with the log splitter, and it's getting deeper and deeper because the water just sits here. It used to flow across here and then go out to the creek, but somehow the spot got really low and it doesn't flow anymore. So what I'm planning on doing is bringing some bigger rocks and filling in these ruts and holes. And then I got some smaller rocks I'm just going to scoop up and pour over top of them, and I'll track it in with the loader, smash them down, and then after that I got some clay with some rocks in it. I'll throw that on top and pack it down. That's my plan. I was hoping to get some bigger rocks in here, but I think that rock might be a little too big. We'll try to fit it in that hole over there. If it still sticks up too high, I'll probably just push it off to the side. These other ones seem to be okay for right now, but we'll know more when I start packing it down. So come along, and I hope you enjoyed the video, but that's how I'm going to fix this problem. We'll see how it goes. Well guys, here we are at the rock pile. It's almost gone now. I might have 2 more bucketfuls. And you probably remember that. That's when me and Chris and Peyton and Belle was picking up all them rocks out of the orchard. And we just stockpiled them right here. Well, now I found a use for them. I've been using them here and there to fill in holes and fill in some crossings that have been getting washed out. But that's what we're picking up today. I turned off the machine so you could actually hear me talk. And I hope you'll be able to see this. We're going to try to get a little bit of it on video. guys, I've already hauled like 8 loads of dirt and rock from the back to here. Each round trip takes me 30 minutes. And I just timed it the last 2 times I did this, so it takes me 30 minutes from the time I leave here, go back there, get a load, and come back. It's 30 minutes. I know, I just said that like 5 times. But I'm going to go back and get one more load. It's getting a little late, so I'm going to end the video here. But I'm going to get one more load and dump it over here, and then track this in real good, and I'm going to call it done for the day. Next time we come back, I may bring like 2 or 3 more loads here and do a little bit more, but it's getting late and we're going to get ready to pack up and get out of here. So I know I took you along the best I could, but that bumpy road, and I know y'all didn't want to see me drive a half mile to the back and a half mile up front, so I tried to just pick and choose where I wanted the video at. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. Maybe you don't like the videos, but you just like me. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And until next time, y'all have a great day.